This is GMC's MultiPro Tailgate. Should more trucks have something similar to this? Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to demonstrate this tailgate for you today and show you why I think it is something that other trucks should offer, at least something similar to it. Maybe not something identical, but something similar to this. So let's take a look. We're gonna have our two buttons right here. This button will open the tailgate in the conventional manner if you want to use it that way, but there is a lot more going on here than that. We can hit the top button and that brings this area down. You can use this for a multitude of things, as far as using it as a bed extender. If you need something to stick out of the bed, but you don't want it up quite so high on the top of the tailgate right here, you can use this area in that respect. You can also raise this area up and also use that as a bed extender. Now, it's not its primary function, but I'll show you what that is in just a bit as we work our way to that area. And bed extender number 2, you can again raise that area up like that. Like I say, that's not its primary function, but it is a multitasker, as I like to say. So here's something else that I like. If we drop that area and say you need to gain access to the rear of the bed, maybe to the power outlet right here, or you need to untie something on one of these rear tie downs, that makes it a lot easier to gain access further into the bed than you would with a conventional style tailgate because of that area being out of the way. But its primary function is to be used as a step that makes it much easier to gain access to and from the bed. You can use that handle right there. I find that that handle is more useful on these 2500 and 3500 series Sierras as opposed to the 1500, just because they sit a little bit higher off the ground. And depending on the trim level and the options that are available, you can have the lights right here. You can also have the kicker audio system if you want that. Quite a few interesting little things going on where that is concerned. But there's one more important thing here that I want to show you about this tailgate. If you drive around with a trailer hitch mounted in your truck right here, here's something you don't want to do. You don't want to open this area of the tailgate and then drop the whole tailgate, because it's going to slam into your ball down there. So how do you keep that from happening? Well, it's actually very easy. You're going to hold this button down. It takes about 10 seconds and you will see your tail lights flash. And when that happens, here's what you can do. You can push that button all you want to and this area will not open. Now, you can still open the tailgate in the conventional manner, but you're not going to have the tailgate come down and slam into your ball down there and damage your MultiPro tailgate. So tell me what you think about this feature. If you own a truck that has this feature, how often do you use it? Tell me what you think about it. Now, you can see that I just deactivated that feature to lock that top area of the tailgate, and that's how easy it is to do. You just hold the button down again until your tail lights flash and you're good to go. I'd like to say a special thanks to my friends at Mike Morgan Buick GMC for loaning me this truck for the day so I could tell you all about the MultiPro Tailgate, and a special thanks to all of you for being kind enough to give me the opportunity to give you a vision for your next vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you would, please share this video on your timelines on social media. If you'd like to learn about additional vehicles you may wish to consider purchasing, check out the video that's on the screen right now, and I will see you there.